Happy Thursday. I've got Boxycharm Premium May. This is like a nature box, and I'm pretty happy with the 6 products I got this month. But I did cancel Boxycharm Premium only because I'm going to use the extra money for Bath and Body Works this time. I'm like, that's okay. I have the Luxe. I have the regular. I'm going for the Bath and Body Works. So the first thing I got was the Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate from Skin & Company. I think this is like a $66 value. I do love Skin & Company. This smells super truffly. It makes sense. I have no idea. So I love this product. So that was a yes. The next product I got is Korean Beauty Pure Heals. I have no idea what this is. Oh, you can't see it too good. It says it's a mystical plant that firms the skin from the inside. I'm going to have to do research on this. I have no clue what this stuff is. It comes in a really pretty green bottle, though. I'll say the bottle's like pretty neat. Does it smell? Let me see if it smells. Oh, it almost smells like tea tree. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so we'll see what that is. Next up is the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Look at this, how cute it is. It's got a little cute little case on there. And, oh my gosh, we got big thunderstorms coming. I'm just looking at the news. Big thunderstorms. Whoops, I almost dropped it. Look how pretty this case is. It's gorgeous. It's like acrylic, very artsy. Cover up the mirror so I don't blind you guys. Oh, it smells like chocolate too. Oh my gosh, so check this out. Oh, there goes Coco. UPS just drove by. They did not stop at my house, though. They whipped on by. No packages for me today. Check it out. I love these shades to use as an eyeliner underneath my eye. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It does have the chocolate scent. That's what I love about Too Faced. I love that they sent their product. So I will definitely use this. Super cool product. I'm excited about that. Next up, we have from Milk. We have the Milk Makeup Glimmer. I do like this. This is glow oil for the lips and the cheek. Ooh. Ooh. This is pretty. How do I get it open? I don't want to bust it. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is gorgeous. Check this out. Okay, I'm just going to... Oops. There's a little cap on it. I'm like, why isn't this working? Okay, there we go. Now I got it. Check it out. Okay, this is really pretty. It's just like a glow if it's on. This feels really good too. No scent on this one. That's really cute. I like this. I like this stuff from Milk. I have a whole collection of Milk stuff. 2 more products. We have the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow. Once again, my eyebrows, I don't worry about them too much because they're covered up on my bangs. But this is a really cute product. It's funny because this is Kat Von D, and she actually changed the name of her. I don't think it's Kat Von D anymore. I think it is, what did she change her name to? Kat Von D. KVD Beauty. So this is probably like a leftover product. Oh no, it says KVD on it. I'm not sure. I'm sure the packaging has got to change, seeing she changed the name. So check it out. This is just a really cute collectible. I like to collect unusual makeup, and this is really cute. I like this little pot. And then the final product we got is from Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Balm Butter. I'll certainly take that. Oh wait, UPS is back. No, they're driving by again. And Coco knows it. This one is peony. Everything is peony. Oh my gosh. Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh, you guys, how beautiful is this? Look at this. It looks like a cute little flower. Oh, and it smells good too. So this is really cute. I am all over this. This is adorable. I didn't even know Tarte made these. It's like a lip butter. So look at how cute these packaging. This is cute this month. I really like this. So anyway, really good premium box. Guess I should have kept premium, but no, I did cancel only because, like I said, I got enough coming. So I still have Glam Glow. Not Glam Glow. Glam Glow is coming, I think, in my other Boxycharm box. I still have Glossy Box to review. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's the Christmas delivery from Bath and Body Works. I should be getting everything, so hit the subscribe button. I will be back soon. Bye-bye.